going on YouTube? Today we are doing coilovers on the beautiful 9th Gen Civic. Let's get to unboxing right now. Alright guys, let's see what we got in the box. I forgot what color we got. I think they're one. Alright. Look for your bronze. Oh god. Here we go. New in rods. These are the spacers for the back springs. These are what these are. Two rows. Rear shock. Front shock. Oh yeah, these are gonna be nice. Gotta give y'all a close-up on them. I know y'all didn't really get to see them in the last video. Pretty solid coilover, not gonna lie. Kinda like it. So, next up, get the Civic jacked up. Oh, I'm sorry about the wind, guys. Let's back up then. Next step, get the Civic jacked up, get the old shit off, and put the new ones on. So let's get to it. Okay guys, let's do this.
What's going on, guys? I just want to take this time right now to tell you that I did film a lot more of the installation of these coilovers, just the camera didn't put it in the correct format for me to view or edit, so I have to go outside and show you the final results. Then outside I will go over some of the issues that I ran into with installation, and I will also tell you about next week's video and what I have planned for next week. So let's get outside, let's show you what's going on.
Hey guys, so just to give a recap of what happened yesterday, I got brand new tires put on the car, as you can see. I also had the coilovers installed. For some reason, my camera decided not to record properly, and a lot of the footage that I got yesterday didn't go as planned. So, as I was saying, I still have a lot of adjustments to do. As you can see, there's still a gap here. I kind of want it to be more flush. I don't know if I can show you the coilovers themselves. Hopefully I can get this up in here so I can show you. So yeah, as as you can see, they're installed. Sorry about the wind, guys. So as I was saying about yesterday, I did run into a little bit of problems with the coilovers. So if you're thinking about buying these coilovers, just know that I had to drill out the 2 bottom holes on the coilover in order to get them to fit. So the bolt would not slide through the hole, so I had to go get a drill bit, drill them out, and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about by the picture being inserted now. So yeah, guys, ran into a little bit of a problem yesterday. The camera wouldn't work, and on top of that, I had to do some extra modifications to the mod that I was doing. So now next week's video is going to be me doing a short shifter from Sermoto. I'll let y'all know how to do this. I'll actually give you all a more in-depth and detailed process on how to install this. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video, and please leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about the video. I know that this video wasn't as in-depth as I wanted it to be, but trust me, upcoming content will be in-depth. Thank you, and catch y'all on the flip side.